Welcome to FRELOTEX Technologies, where we are committed to helping people acquire practical digital skills that lead to meaningful careers, successful businesses, self-reliance, and financial independence. Have you ever wondered how businesses know what products to produce, how banks detect fraudulent transactions, or how hospitals predict disease outbreaks? The answer is data analysis. Data analysis is the process of examining, cleaning, organizing, and interpreting data to discover useful information and support better decision-making. In today's world, data is everywhere. Every online purchase, social media interaction, website visit, financial transaction, and mobile app generates data. The real value comes from understanding what that data is saying. One of the biggest benefits of data analysis is better decision-making. Instead of making guesses, businesses can use real information to understand customer behavior, improve products and services, reduce risks, and increase profits. Another important benefit is identifying trends. Data analysis helps organizations recognize patterns that would otherwise go unnoticed. This enables businesses to predict future demand, understand market changes, and make smarter strategic decisions. Data analysis also improves efficiency. By studying business processes, organizations can identify waste, reduce costs, improve productivity, and make better use of their resources. Another major advantage is problem solving. Data analysts help organizations answer important questions, uncover hidden opportunities, and solve complex business challenges using facts rather than assumptions. Today, data analysis is used in virtually every industry, including healthcare, banking, education, agriculture, manufacturing, telecommunications, government, logistics, sports, and retail. Organizations are actively looking for professionals who can transform raw data into meaningful insights. At FRELOTEX Technologies, we provide practical data analysis training that equips learners with hands-on experience using industry-standard tools and real-world data sets. You'll learn how to collect, clean, analyze, visualize, and present data in ways that help organizations make informed decisions. Our training is designed not only to prepare you for employment, but also to help you become self-reliant. With the practical skills you gain at FRELOTEX Technologies, you can work as a data analyst, business analyst, or reporting specialist. You can also work as a freelance analyst, provide consulting services to businesses, analyze data for organizations around the world, or use data analysis to improve and grow your own business. These skills can create multiple streams of income and help you achieve long-term financial independence. The demand for data analysts continues to grow because every organization depends on data. By learning this valuable skill today, you're investing in a future filled with opportunities. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to build a successful career in technology. To learn more about our practical digital skills training and discover how FRELOTEX Technologies can help you become self-reliant through employable and entrepreneurial digital skills, visit frelotex.com. Thank you for watching, and remember, the future belongs to those who can turn information into opportunity. At FRELOTEX Technologies, we don't just teach data analysis. We equip you with practical skills that help you build a successful career, create wealth, and make a lasting impact in the digital world.